Pating Reviews presents AlfaBot X7 Smart Window Vacuum Cleaner. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. This window cleaner does a really good job. This is a very practical glass cleaning machine, which can be controlled by mobile phone. I use it to clean the business windows and door. It is really convenient and saves us money. I used it to save money for people to wash the windows and doors. It really does a great job. I definitely recommend that you check out this machine. Here is a bit more information about this window cleaner. The color is white. Controller type is remote control and app control. The battery cell composition is lithium ion. Are batteries included? Yes. The automatic water spray. This AlfaBot X7 glass cleaning machine is designed with ultrasonic water spray nozzle. You don't need to manually spray water anymore. Cleans your windows more cleanly and thoroughly. Wi-Fi connectivity. The AlfaBot X7 smart design allows it to be controlled from the palm of your hand. It comes with full access app, allowing you to quickly and simply tailor the controls to fit your home. There is 2 ways to control this window vacuum cleaner. Control it with your smartphone or the remote, which is easy and convenient. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Deep cleaning for high-rise windows. Intuitive cleaning technology guides X7 robot to clean in a fast, comprehensive, and economical way. Intelligently chooses the best cleaning path. Then washable microfiber pads thoroughly scrub windows, allowing for a deep and sparkling clean. The X7 robot detects edges and uses its advanced algorithm to scrub every part of your window, including those hard-to-reach areas that you would not be able to do on your own. The comprehensive security protection. A multiple safety system X7 robot has a 4K PA suction power to ensure the robot is firmly attached to the window. A 30-minute backup battery in case of power failure. It comes with a safety rope attachment feature, ensuring double protection and security for your device. Advanced edge detection technology with advanced coupler sensors. The window can identify the edges of your glasses and change the cleaning path without bumping or falling. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.